The Eversolo T8 is a professional-grade streaming transport, featuring a pure internal architecture and fully isolated outputs. It integrates mainstream global music services, with rich functionality, supporting multiple control methods to ensure it's the ideal source output for your high-end hi-fi system. Of course, a remote control is also supported. The front of the T8 features a large 6-inch premium touchscreen display, alongside full-function touch button. All your music exploration happens right on this large display. The T8 employs a pure internal architecture. Its super silent linear power supply, with noise as low as 30 dB, provides stable, pure power to the system. Inside, the ultra-high precision femtosecond clock system effectively suppresses jitter, ensuring stable and pure digital signal transmission. Now, moving to the back of the unit, the T8 delivers its fully isolated output interfaces. These include 8I2S output modes, compatible with various DAC brands and models. A professional-grade isolated USB audio output for clean data transmission. A 24 bits 192 kHz coaxial isolation output. And a monitoring-grade AES EBU fully balanced isolated output for enhanced digital audio quality. Supports an SFP network communication module, effectively shielding internal electromagnetic interference. Optical output, and dual SSD slots supporting massive storage expansion up to 16 TB. Also featured here are Wi-Fi 6 high-speed transmission, a high-performance quad-core ARM processor, and 4 GB DDR RAM plus 64 GB eMMC storage. Next, simply connect the device, and you're ready to embark on a wonderful musical journey. For music services, the T8 deeply integrates mainstream global platforms like Tidal, Qobuz, Apple Music, and Amazon Music, letting you easily enjoy vast music libraries. It natively integrates numerous streaming music services, with more to come. It also supports mainstream streaming protocols including Tidal Connect, Qobuz Connect, and Rune Ready. Local playback supports a variety of high-fidelity formats, like DSD, PCM, FLAC, APE, and WAVE. The T8 also features the Eversolo evotune professional room acoustic calibration system. Using either the EM01 calibration microphone or your phone's microphone, the entire room correction process is easily completed in just 5 steps. Furthermore, it supports 10-band PQ precision tuning, and it can import FIR filters, helping you achieve your ideal listening environment. Local music management is both convenient and smart, supporting multidimensional sorting and organization. Useful features include intelligent WOL network wake up to awaken your device anywhere, global quick search for finding songs fast, device playlists for cross-platform music collections, and easy access to local computers and NAS devices over your LAN. It's also compatible with mainstream cloud services like Dropbox, WebDAV, Emby, Jellyfin, and Plex. Beyond these, there are even more useful features, ready for you to explore firsthand. Listening to music no longer needs traditional controls. Say goodbye to complex buttons. Simply use Eversolo Control to operate your T8 directly, from Android, iOS, iPadOS, or macOS devices. Of course, it also supports our dual-mode Bluetooth remote control. The Eversolo T8, as a pure digital streaming transport, offers different sonic characteristics when paired with various DACs. There's so much to explore. It perfectly serves high-end hi-fi systems while also being ideal for music lovers who prefer a simpler setup. If you're looking for a player to take your music experience to the next level, the T8 is the closest thing to your dream player.